follow the Moskva and down to Gorky Park, listening to the wind of change. An August summer night, soldiers passing by, listening to the wind of change. The world is closing in, and did you ever think that we could be so close, like brothers? The future's in the air, can feel it everywhere, and blowing with the wind of change. Children of tomorrow dream away in the wind of change. Walking down the street, and distant memories are buried in the past forever. Listening to the wind of change. Take me to the magic of the moment on a glory night, where the children of tomorrow share their dream with you and me. For peace of mind, let your balalaika sing on my guitar.